In this tutorial video I will demonstrate how to extract steel quantities requirement and building information of material quantities from the structural model in NirtsCAD. In NirtsCAD we used object names as beam, column, footing, slab, wall similar to terms used construction field. So quantities taken out will clearly indicate the steel requirement for beams at elevation of 2.0 m or 5.6 m. Column segments from 0 to 2 m then 2 to 5.6 m like that. So it is easy to understand from CSV file output that you can open in any spreadsheet. For this I open the drawing we have already designed and detailed in previous example. I will make all the layers of structural elements such as columns, footings, grade beams, slabs, ground walls, floor walls, parapet walls and joint layer created during analysis and design. The detailed drawings of beams are not necessary. Now you are seeing the structural model with all layers on. Now from CAD Max Design Procedure sub-menu select Steel Quantity. For Select Objects, select all objects and press Enter. You will be prompted to download the file STLQTY.csv. You can choose the location and save it. Similarly, you can select BIM Quantity from Design Procedure sub-menu. For Select Objects, select all objects and press Enter. You will be prompted to download the file BIMQTY.csv. You can choose the location and save it. Now you steel quantity usage details of the whole building in steel quantity CSV file and BIM quantity details in BIM quantity CSV file. You can open it in any spreadsheet app. I will show the details now. Now I open the file steel quantity CSV file. You will the contents of this file are in the first line we see F1, F2, F3, F4 indicates the footing grouping. It indicates F1, 4 numbers, F2, 4 numbers, F3, 6 numbers and F4, 4 numbers, totally 18 numbers of footings. Total requirement of steel for these footing mat rods is 10 mm dia 803.47 kg and 12 mm dia 639.23 kg. You can add 5% extra for lapse and wastage. In fourth row you see column rods for grouping of C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 columns from foundation bottom to ground level including L-bend at bottom. The 8 mm indicates lateral ties requirement. 16, 20, 25 mm indicates main rods of columns up to ground level. From 11th row onwards we see the steel requirements of beams 82 meter elevation with grid line indication as a 1B1, B1C1, etc. and each beam requirement is placed in the same row. After mens equals tying all beams the total usage of steel for grade beams is indicated as 8 mm 337.96 kg and 12 mm 513.7 kg. Similarly each floor-wise columns, beams, slabs are given below. It will be useful for estimation and purchase order purpose. Now I open the file BIMQTY.csv file. You will see the contents like this. In the first row you will see floor item, member, NF, length, width, height, quantity. In the next row you see 0 in first column indicates floor level and 0 is for bottom-most level that is basement. Then E-work indicates earthwork indicates item of work. Then member indicates footing A1, C1, A6, C6 indicates footing gridline points. Then numbers, length, breadth, depth and then quantity calculated. To see each and every item we can use filters. Select all the rows and columns containing values. Then click on data and then filter. Now you can see each item by filter. Let us set floor as 0. Then see the items. In work item select earthwork. You will see the earthwork details. You can copy and paste this item into separate sheet and using for earthwork quantity sum. Then sand fill item to indicate sand filling in the foundation. Then you will see PCC leveling course in foundation. Then RCC for edge depth square portion. Then sloped depth and average area portion. Then column portion up to ground level. The form work type 1 for columns and type 2 for beams and slabs. Then beams RCC quantity, ground level walls etc. By selecting various floor levels you can get lot of detailed quantities and you can copy those items in separate sheets for preparation of bill of quantities. With this I end this video. Try it yourself and send your feedback. Thank you.